What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. Thank you for tuning in. So I'm doing this video for numerous reasons, but before I dive into it, hey, hit subscribe down below. We've got a lot of great content. And by that, I mean we have a bunch of content, and that's what I'm gonna talk about today. Real briefly, it's gonna be a short video. I just need to talk about this. So I have been shooting and shooting and shooting and shooting and shooting. I've got a bunch of new installs coming. I've got a bunch of new garage talks coming. So much so that you guys are gonna see a lot of videos dropping here over the next few weeks, next few months. Hopefully, I'll be able to do 3 and 4, maybe even 5 videos a week. That is the goal. I'm super, super stoked. Even more stoked because I'm here to tell you that here within the next couple of weeks, once we're caught up to where I'd like to see it, we have some incredible news, and let's just say here in the next few weeks, you're gonna see something super cool added to the garage. Now that's kind of a teaser or a hint, I guess, a little one, but you're not gonna see a lot of it because I'm backed up with videos and I don't wanna get rid of any of these videos because it kind of tells the story of the installs and so much more. So you're gonna see those, but you will be caught up here pretty quick. I do appreciate everybody checking out the Wrenched Out Garage, and I will be getting ready to do some more giveaways on the Garage Life decals, and I've got a couple of shirt ideas I'm gonna do, and just a lot of other things that's happening here at the garage. In addition to that, like I said, we got just a shitload of new videos, installs for the Silverado. We've got some trailer updates for our trailer and a lot of other things coming out here super quick. So again, I invite you guys, hit subscribe. Check us out. We've got some new garage stuff that I'm gonna be working on a little bit beyond that. I've got a couple of really cool garage news ideas. I did skip this week's garage news. I did that because I was shooting so many new videos. I just didn't have the time, so I apologize for that. And that pretty much wraps this video up. Like I said, quick video. I just wanted to give you guys an update here, the Wrenched Out Garage. Again, I can't say just how happy I am as a content creator. You know, put the all the automotive stuff aside. I'm super proud to be a content creator on YouTube, sharing my story and everything else, and it's just super cool. I'm also super proud and happy to be in the position I am right now with so many backlogged videos. That's something I haven't faced before, simply because I was always run and gun. And you'll see in these videos that it's, I was trying to speed up and go. Some of the videos are longer, some of them are shorter, but the cool part is this, is I've got a batch of probably 15 or 20 videos that I'm gonna be cutting, and in fact I've got all these memory cards and all this stuff sitting here because I gotta pull all this information off and then obviously transfer it to files and do all of the work to create videos. But because I've got so many, I'm hopefully going to be able to hit a spot to where I can start adding in better content and doing some of the B-rolls and doing some of that stuff to create better videos for you guys. So that wraps this up though. We're at the 4-minute marker. Thank you guys for tuning into the Wrenched Out Garage. It does mean a lot to me personally. I'm Anthony. This is the Wrenched Out Garage. If you're out riding or driving, do it safely, and we'll catch up with you in the next video.